This is MB. Welcome back. I tried studying JavaScript coding for about 2 hours every day for 1 week, and this is what happened. First of all, I'm going to tell you what kind of studying I was doing, and here's a walkthrough. First, since I am a beginner for JavaScript, I tried to review one of the lectures I took from last year. And speaking of the lecture, it was a JavaScript online class for a beginner from PestCampus, which is one of the famous learning platform in South Korea nowadays. Every single chapter I could learn some grammar in JavaScript, plus there are some tests and quizzes, so you can see if you understood the grammar well or not. At first, I just tend to do nothing but listening and reading the content from the lecture, and it was not a very good way about learning. JavaScript is also one of the language like English or another foreign language to me, so I realized studying coding also needs some techniques for active learning. In my case, I typed down in my script and blog, so writing by myself, I could check my mistake and what kind of part I feel confused could be clear. Second, I took some quizzes and tests in the class. The point is, you shouldn't look at the answer right away even though you don't know at all. In my case, I was struggled and it was very frustrating because there's a lot of things I didn't know. But first, I tried to look at what I learned before, or I did a lot of online search in Google. If you go to the Google, actually you can see like similar cases you are facing, and you might find some useful way to solve your problem, and then come back to your problem. Maybe you will find out your own answer. So after that, after putting some effort to find out the answer by yourself, after that you should check the answer and then you can compare. So from this process, you can actually figure out what kind of thing you got wrong or you did right, or so you can check your weakness or strength. So, even though you don't get anything from doing by yourself, but still this is, I'm pretty sure, way better than just go directly to the answer sheet and just copying and pasting. And third, I tried to have my own a summary note using my personal blog online. Writing what I learned and showing the output I made, I feel so confident for myself, or so it is going to be a great note just in case it slipped my mind. So here is my first project, and I wrote down style CSS and HTML first. So in this page, the only function is just to ask what kind of country you want to go trip. And when you don't write anything, then there is a pop modal, and then it says please write the country. So that's what I wanted to make. This is my second project, and this was more simple project. I didn't do anything with HTML or CSS. Just using JavaScript, I made a function to calculate average. And my third project is to make a group between animals. There are a lot of animals like rabbit, turtle, bear. And then whenever you put the button down there, like come here button, then you can actually match the animal in the first line and to the team you picked. So and then the last project I did, I think I finished this like 2 days ago on Friday. This was for putting some information in table by using only JavaScript. Usually when you make table or paragraph, you can use just HTML only, but in this project I used JavaScript. Another project I did is a style CSS maker I made. So if you put the button change me, then you can change however you want the CSS of the button. So here's the example. So you can see the color of the text is changed. So today I shared my coding studying experiences for 1 week. And for me, it's been a great weekdays in which I put some effort towards something. I'm going to finish right here today, and feel free to comment and put subscribe and like for me. I will see you soon, and bye bye.